Medicare Annual Enrollment is officially underway. It's an important time that allows you to enroll in or make changes to your Medicare or Medicare Advantage plan selections and can play a huge role in how much you pay for your health care in the year to come.
Dr. Jake Ambrust is here along with Dr. Girisha Carr, and they are from Southwest Medical. They're here to help us kind of traverse this time because for a lot of folks, they don't quite look forward to enrollment, but it really shouldn't be that difficult, should it?
Correct. That's right. Like you mentioned earlier, Medicare enrollment period is the time to either enroll in a new Medicare Advantage or Medicare program or to make changes if you're currently a member. It's also the time to pick your primary care doctor from a list of the local doctor or providers that are here. Actually, if you pick the right Medicare Advantage plan, it can make a big difference in your health. It can make you keep you healthy and active. Also, studies show that people that are part of a Medicare Advantage plan, they have a lower cost of health, like you mentioned earlier, and have lower rate of rehospitalization.
Which is, of course, important. No one wants to be in the hospital.
That's
of course,
right.
not for longer than they have to be. And you're nice people, with all due respect, but the less we do. So there are resources that are available out there to help us make a more informed decision, because this is like baffling to some people. It's like doing taxes, and that's the fact they expect us to do that's impressive.
Exactly.
But tell us about these resources.
Sure. Yeah, we definitely want to make things easier for everybody. I think the most important thing first is to ask questions, get informed. We have our Optum Care Las Vegas community centers locally, two of them that offer free Medicare education classes to the community to help the community and our patients make the right decisions about their health care and choose the right plans that are right for them. And like I said earlier, good news is free, so we encourage everybody to utilize them. But also, go ahead.
No, I think a class is a really great idea because you can get on the phone with somebody. You can't see them face to face.
Sure, of course.
They may counsel you, take a look at your plan. First of all, you're probably on hold for a little bit first. In this way, you can come down, not only be taught by your professionals, but then also, speak with other people, share information.
Of course,
Makes a lot of sense.
That human-to-human contact is super important.
Absolutely.
Super rare nowadays as well.
Sure.
These are happening at your two Optum Care community centers. How do we have to RSVP to be a part of these classes?
Actually, you can go to either smalv.com or our Facebook page to see the local the listings, what time they're going to be holding.
Are they an
this
hour,
class.
2 hours? Do you know?
I think they're about an hour.
Okay.
This is an important thing. I think people they make their selection and then they just kind of leave it alone. But two things happen: A, plans change.
Of course.
B, your care changes. What you need, what you're looking for in your plan can change. So this is why it's important every year to just get a double check and make sure that everything's okay.
Right, and like I said earlier, even if you're already part of a Medicare Advantage plan, you may still, things may have changed, and now it may be the time to make some changes.
No question.
And we have a little bit of time. So it started October 15th. We go till December 7th. So your Medicare Advantage, Medicare plans that you may already have, there's time to make those changes and select the plan that's right for you.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And you two are both employed at Southwest Medical.
Yes.
Let's talk a little bit about your presence here in the Valley.
Sure.
Well, we have several clinics here in the Valley now. Southwest Medical is part of the Optum Care Network, and the network is contracted with over 3,000 primary care and specialty providers. So this way we can get our patients the right care at the right time. Just another way we want to build healthcare around our patients to get them the care they need.
Absolutely, no question. I know it's not just about seeing your doctors, although it's a very important thing, but like you have the doctor you like, you want to make sure you can see that doctor, your plan should fit for that. There's other perks that come with your plan as well. What else should we be looking out for?
Right, there's the annual wellness exam at our Optum Care Community Centers. Those can be 60 minutes, so those are a lot of our patients really like those.
That's in depth, yeah, exactly.
Right, we give notifications like by phone calls, by letters, just reminder calls to keep you up to date on your annual wellness, like mammograms, colonoscopies. So there's several benefits.
Well, you definitely want to know about those benefits that are already included, right? And you want to take advantage of those, be it the vision checks and also the women's wellness.
Yes, absolutely.
We want to take advantage of that every year as women, don't we?
Of course.
Yeah, definitely. What is your specialty?
So I'm trained in board-certified family medicine, but I'm doing primarily adult medicine out here at our Eastern location with Dr. Carr.
Oh, you're together.
You guys work together.
Yes, we do.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Well, it is great getting to talk to you. I know we're going to be talking about this more as the weeks go on
We
because
are.
we're in the heat of it now.
Oh,
of
yes,
course.
absolutely.
But it's a great time to sign up for a class and get an early start on this decision.
Yes.
Because you still, right now, you're not rushed and you have that opportunity to really know that you're in the right place with this plan,
course.
don't you?
Of course.
Absolutely, yeah. There's sales representatives that can help, and the classes, like we mentioned, and there are also counselors, I think they call them, that can come to your house and help with
Oh,
information.
now we're talking.
Yeah.
It's great having you
Thanks,
guys.
you guys.
Yeah, thank you for having
doctors.
us.
Thank you for
All right,
having
to
us.
learn
you.
more about Southwest Medical, visit the website on your screen. And remember, Medicare Open Enrollment runs through December 7th. Southwest Medical Associates is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.